Alright y'all, welding wheelies. Levi got a muffler problem. The neighbors keep calling the police. So he brought it to the boys. We're gonna get it worked out for him.
Somebody had JB welded that muffler.
Yeah man, I'm glad he brought it to us. Levi got that new muffizzle. That new used muffizzle. Yee yee.
Like the ones we got.
Yeah.
Which there's.
Alright Levi, throw me up a test fire. Let's see if you like it.
Start.
Yeah. Back to quiet. Hey man, now the neighbors gonna call the police.
Yes, sir.
Alright. Levi about to test out the new muffler situation. Oh, it's way quieter. Levi forgot to change his air filter. Now look at him. Y'all gotta get your money up and get your bike up, you know? Put that man up! Welding wheelies. Got his muffler welded, his air filter changed, and he's out here wheeling. Yee yee! Yeah, Levi's still gonna get pulled over. OnewayRob, holla boy, this welding wheelies. Levi just got his shit right.
Better than I do.
I'll tell you one thing, Bubba, I ain't throwing my weight very well either. I told you I'm gonna ride the line and that's about all you get. Levi, how you like it?
I appreciate that. It sounds a whole lot better than it did. It was too loud before and it made it run weird.
That's it, y'all. Hey, get your money up, get your bikes up.
Get it.
12 o'clock, welding wheelies.